Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, and you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milk trading indicator. This was on downtrend before, but after getting to the support zone, it went on buy trend and it was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it went back on downtrend and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, then the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and of course boom 500 had been on downtrend for a very long time, but got to this support zone and wasn't able to break out below it, so it started a buy trend. It has not been able to break out above this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more, but for now it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000, and just the way we're seeing it, this had been on downtrend for a very long time. It broke out below this support zone around here, and of course still sold more, and of course it has gotten to another support zone. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go, if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling, but if it does not, it will go back fully on buy trend. So this is very, very important. Okay, so we expect it to buy right from there because it has gotten to a major support zone, but if it's able to break out below the support zone, then it will keep on selling. Okay, so you should take note of that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 had been on downtrend for a very long time, even though the movement was not that smooth, but it has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. And of course right here it was unable to break out above this resistance, so it started a downtrend right from there, so it is selling at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so the last asset is going to be V75, volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. It has been on downtrend, on uptrend for a very long time, but after getting to this resistance zone, it has been ranging between the resistance zone and the support zone, the minor support zone it created around here. Okay, so it has been ranging within this region. Okay, it's trying to see if it will break out below this support zone in order for it to sell more, but it has not been able to do so. And if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it will keep on buying, but we hope that it breaks out below the support zone so that it can sell more. I will ask you to wait for the breakout. Okay, so wait for the breakout before you go fully into it. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora detectorK, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.